Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
European stock markets opened higher while Asia fell ahead of the release of US inflation data that traders worry will show upward pressure on prices still is too strong for the Federal Reserve to ease off interest rate hikes. BitPay, the world's largest provider of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency payment services, added a reward program to its BitPay prepaid card. Cardlytics, a cashback rewards platform, is managing the rewards where the BitPay cardholder automatically receives cashback on purchases. The dollar fell broadly, with its biggest decline against the yen since March 2020, following a cooler-than-expected inflation report for July that raised expectations of a less aggressive rate hike cycle than previously anticipated from the US Federal Reserve. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.9% in the last session after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we're in an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Irish Consumer Price Index will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 1230 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1230 GMT. The Irish HICP at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.